Hey guys, Miknel Tech here, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to get verified on YouTube. Let's get started. Alright guys, straight up you go to your web browser, preferably Chrome, at least that's what I used, and head to youtube.com. While here, click on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen and click on the desktop site. After clicking on this desktop site, your layout will change to this. Then you click on your profile icon on the top right of the home page. It will show you a bunch of options, so just click on settings. And after clicking on settings, it will take you to a whole new page. Here you just have to click on that little channel status and features bar. Now we are in the verify page, guys. Please, if you like what you've seen, kindly smash that subscribe button. So let's continue. Click on the verify button, obviously. That's what we're here for. Then you select your country and choose your preferred contact method. Personally, I used SMS so that it doesn't mess up with my data connection. Alright, so you type in your phone number and wait for the code to be sent to your phone. When it comes, you type the code and press submit. If it's successful, which it has never failed anyone I know, you'll be congratulated. It should just tell you congrats on your successful verification and stuff. And that is it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace guys.